Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that why English is important for students, especially those are non-native living in such countries where there the English is not a first language and they are studying English language in schools, colleges, and most of the students reading English language books just to pass the examination. I think that this is not good. If you are willing to speak English language, then you will have to adopt some rules and regulation. With the help of those rules and regulation, you can improve or grow your talent of English learning. Otherwise, formal way of teaching, teachers are teaching you English language. They are just making you able to pass the examination or to write the replies, answers of questions. Those are asked in question paper in examination. So I think that this style of English teaching is not good. In some countries, in most of the countries, this formal style of teaching students, and students are getting nothing. They just cram the sentences or paragraphs, and then they write those crammed paragraphs in the examination, and they get some marks and they pass. But when it comes to speak the English language, they fail. They are not able to communicate with others. Even they forget the crammed sentences or paragraphs during the period of the study. So I think that learn English while understanding in spoken way, in spoken style. Even the English subject in most of the schools or colleges or universities, English subject is taught while speaking the national language. I think teach student and during the period of English subject speak English language. There should be binding that everybody should speak English language. No one will speak national language during English language subject period. In this way, when they will start discussing with each other, with the teacher in English language, their hesitation, some students are hesitant. They feel that if I speak English language, I would speak the wrong sentences and other fellow students will laugh at him. No. This is the duty of the teacher, that make students able to understand this reality, that making mistake is good when you are learning English language. And no one will laugh at other. If someone will laugh at other, he will have to give the lecture in English language. And if he will make the mistake, other will laugh at him. Then nobody will make the fun of when anybody makes mistakes while speaking the English language during the English language period. So I think that for English learning for the students is also necessary, because some students are willing to get education while going abroad. They are willing to get admission in other countries, in English speaking countries, and they want to get a higher level of education. For those students, English learning or understanding is very important. Speaking English is very important, because they will have to give the interview in English language. They will have to give the certificate of their spoken English, because that certificate will say that this person is able to speak in English language. And if you can speak English language, then you will get the admission or permission to go abroad in some other international universities. So for those students, it is very necessary that they should make themselves able to learn English language from basics. If their basic is good, then they will grow, improve gradually, day by day. Otherwise, in future they will face problems, then they will repent, and at that time you know that time has passed, and that time will not come again. So make good use of the time. And if you master or get command on these 4 things, then you will improve your English language. And those 4 things are listening, speaking, reading, writing. If you have the listening power, you are able to listen, such as your teacher is giving lecture to you and you are listening with concentration and you are understanding. Develop your listening power. When you will develop your listening power, then automatically you will imbibe those words or sentences which are spoken by your teacher, and automatically you will speak those sentences from your mouth. So when you will develop your listening power, then automatically words would come out of your mouth, and in this way you will be a little able to speak English language. And you will also have to develop your reading skills, because when you would read, reading will increase your knowledge. You will understand sentence formation, and while reading you have the time to understand. You can stop where there you find difficulty. You can stop, think in your mind and understand in relaxed way. Otherwise, when someone is speaking fluently fast, then you are not able to understand what is spoken. So during reading you have the time, and after this writing skill is also necessary. When you would write any kind of paragraph, then you would know the spelling of some difficult words. In this way, I think you will make sentences, and you also have the time to think in your mind, and after thinking you will write the good sentence. When you will write, then that sentence will remember to you. You will read that sentence again and again. In this way you will remember that sentence. So I think that writing, reading, listening, then speaking, 4 skills. First is listening, then speaking, then reading, then writing. If you get command on these 4 skills, then I think that you will improve your English language, and practice is required. After that you will have to do the practice again and again. Speaking practice, speak with your fellow students, speak with your teacher, and ask your teacher that correct me if I make some kind of mistakes. In this way you will grow your talent of learning English language, and one day you will speak very good English language. And don't feel shy while making the mistake when you are learning English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.